Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
So can we meet you, ma? What's your name, ma?
My name is Princess Tessie Yimbra, the celebrity dancing queen, queen of dancehall, Afro Juju dance creator.
Alright, so what's your relationship with Sir Shina Peters?
He's a brother to me. I introduced his dance step, Ijo Shina, Shuda rocking. That's why I have to be here.
Alright, so what impact do you think Sir Shina Peters has made to the Nigerian music industry?
Shina Peters have tried. He encouraged the upcoming artists. You see, that's why they have new generation. You see a lot of them here. If Shina is not good, they will come and celebrate with him. We've been preparing for this one, this from Osun State, when we did a year anniversary of Senator Adeleke. We've been preparing, we've been hailing him, we've been celebrating him. We are going to celebrate him more. Apart from this, so many artists are going to celebrate him. All stars are going to celebrate Dele Taiwo. A lot of us are going to celebrate him.
So which of Sir Shina Peters' track do you consider your favorite?
Ijo Shina, the one I did.
Okay, the one you did it.
If anybody wants to identify me, I test Ijo Shina, more testing, test Ijo Shina. You know, I feature in some of the videos, not all the videos. Shina Mania, Ijo Shina, dancing time, you know.
Okay, so mommy, can you just give us a little of the okay, what do you want to wish him for his 60th birthday?
I wish him long life and prosperity. I wish him to grow, to celebrate. I wish him to celebrate 70th, 80, 90. He will work with walking stick like this. Okay. You know, in the showbiz, he'll be going higher. He will be big like King Sunny Ade, Ebrin Sobi, all the artists that is coming, King Gwasua Ade. You know that I will start and just sing Fuji, but it's a friend to. It's a friend, Sir Shina Peters, you know. Okay.
So, mommy, is there anything about Sir Shina Peters that people don't know about him? Since you are close to him, maybe you can just disclose a bit that people don't really know about him.
He's a man of integrity. What is it that there's one thing people don't Shina play a lot. He cracks jokes. It's a funny person. Not very dull moments. You understand? And he doesn't smoke igbo. Because some people come and ask me, they say, Tessie, Shina has a says yeah, does this? I say he doesn't smoke. His drink is gooder. He doesn't smoke. His drink is gooder and water. That's all.
Thank you very much, man. Here with Mr. Kofi, or should I say comedian Kofi. How are you doing, sir?
Very well, thank you.
Man, I love your outfit.
Thank you.
Okay. So, what's your relationship with Sir Shina Peters?
He's our father, musically, mentally. You know, he's an inspiration for a lot of young people like myself. Shina Peters blossomed at a time when nobody expected him to blossom. He was about 31 years old as at that time. And for someone who had been disregarded as a force to reckon with, he came back to the scene and gave us quality sound, a revamped and revitalized sound, energy with some very thought-provoking lyrics, as at the time we were dancing and learning at the same time, you know. So that was enough inspiration for someone like me to become an entertainer and always look back and see how Shina Peters continuously revamped himself. So every time I feel like, I should give up on this thing, I'll just look back at how Shina Peters had a hiatus of 10 years from 79 to 89 and blew up. And I keep doing what I'm doing. So for me, he's a big source of inspiration. And we have a song together I've not released yet. Yeah, we're working on a movie. So that's how close and how much I adore and love Shina Peters. He's a friend, actually. For those who know us very well, they'll know we're quite close. You know, anything he's doing, I'm there. Anything I'm doing, he wants to be there. So for me, he's beyond just an entertainer in the space of entertainment. He's a brother, a father, a friend. He's just an embodiment of happiness. You will never see him sad. In his down moments, he's cheerful, he's laughing. I've never seen any human being still or that just wants to hold him down. Shina Peters can never be held down. There's this energy around him all the time that he exuberates and transfers to others. If he gets here right now, the whole of this place will be buzzing. So that's who he is, and I really admire and love him a lot.
Okay. So, considering the fact that you guys are very close, is there anything about Sir Shina Peters that people don't really know that you want to disclose?
They should Google it. I should. That's what friends are. We don't reveal our secrets.
Okay. So, In all of his tracks, from all of his tracks, which one do you consider your favorite? Actually,
Dun 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 dun. Paribirara pa paribirara pa paribirara pa pa para. Ọmọ ènìyàn lọ ṣọ́ra o. Ọmọ ènìyàn yé o lọ ṣọ́ra o. Majority ẹ máa gbọ́. Personal experience lẹ fẹ́ gbọ́. Ohun tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi rí ni. Ọmọ ènìyàn yé o lọ ṣọ́ra o.
so just tell what you wish him for his 60th birthday.
Long life, prosperity, continue being who you are, don't change for the world, because you are the most beautiful spirit I know. God bless you, sir.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here, everything. Go TV, click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.